I'm going to replace this battery here. First thing you need to do is remove the battery hold down straps or bracket. Take a 10mm deep socket. Take the ground off first. Take the back positive off. Pull the battery out. Before you put this battery in, go ahead and thread your screws, put your blocks in. So you can send a piece of foam with these. Okay, put a piece of foam up in here. This will keep this pushed up. Make it a lot easier to install. You don't lose your block in the jet ski. Same on this side. Any rubber-like object, foam, piece of rubber you stick on there, can't be solid because the screw has to go through it and go down to the bottom, so it can't be a solid object. This won't screw down. Make sure all your straps are where they're supposed to be, isn't under the battery. None of your wires are in the way. Take your screw out on the red side, should be your positive. Now we put a cover on.